Hello and welcome to my channel. This is an HP Deskjet 2855e printer. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing it and taking a closer look at it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right to it. First thing we have is the setup guide for the printer. This is how to enroll in the instant ink subscription, the power cable right here. Then we have the color ink cartridge and the black ink cartridge. So it has a dual ink cartridge system. Looks pretty cool, shrink wrapped like that. This is our paper tray right here. Scanner. We can go ahead and remove these plastic protective covers. This is where the power supply goes. Now we can go ahead and press the power button. This indicates that the cartridges need to be installed. Let's go ahead and do that. Open the front cover like that. The ink carrier will slide to the middle. Go ahead and open the ink cartridge. It's a good idea to shake it a few times. Then remove this cover. This is the color cartridge, and that one goes on the left side. Just slide it in and push it until it clicks. Go ahead and open the black cartridge. Remove the orange tape. There we go. Go ahead and close the front cover. The ink cartridges level show that the ink cartridges are full. Now, an alignment page is printing. That happens every time you replace ink cartridges. Now go ahead and put the alignment page down on the scanner bed in the very right corner to this corner right here. Close the lid and press start. So now the alignment has finished and we have the page here. Let's go ahead and test how it makes a copy. I'm just going to make a copy of this truck right here. Make a color copy and see how it does on just regular paper. And there it goes. Prints pretty good color for plain paper copy right there. Let me show you the original. So this is on photo paper. Very cool. So this is what it looks like and how it works. It's very simple to set it up. You can connect it to your phone or your computer through a wireless network, or you can use a USB printer cord to connect it through a wired connection. It has a small screen right here, power button and control buttons right here, color copy, black copy, wireless connection, and also this is the information button that will print out information about this printer. It has the copy, scan, and print option, the 3-in-1, which is pretty cool for this size printer. It's pretty compact, does not take up much space on the desk. This is the information page and how to set everything up, even though you can find it on your app. HP also offers a HP Instant Ink subscription for this printer. It works very well. Does 7.5 pages per minute, which is great for a compact printer like this. That's in black and white, and 5.5 pages per minute in color. This is what it looks like in the back. It is pretty lightweight. So we have the USB wired connection that will go right here. This is the power inlet right here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I am going to post some maintenance and repair videos for this model, so check those out. And have yourself a great day.